Hello family, today is October the 9th, 2014. Today is Thursday, and I have come on to prepare a side dish, which is called broccoli casserole. Now I want to go over some of the ingredients with you guys that we're going to use to prepare this particular dish. We have our broccoli cuts. We have a can of cream of mushroom, but I like the one with the roasted garlic. You can just have the plain if that's what you like. I just happen to like this one. We have 2 eggs. We have some cut up whole onion. We're going to season with black pepper and seasoned salt. I'm going to put a little bit of ragu double cheddar in there. We have some classic mayo, and we're going to sprinkle a little breadcrumbs on top. Let's get started. We're going to begin by putting in our mixes. You know, I much rather prefer the florets, you know, because this little cut pieces up like this is, ooh, whatever. What I have done first is I simply added about a good tablespoon to 2 tablespoons on the bottom of just plain canola oil. So now we're going to begin just adding our ingredients onto this. Okay, we got 2 eggs. We're going to use about a good large onion. I have some classic mayo. So we're going to add about 8 ounces of that in there. This is a 12-ounce little jug. We also have our cream of mushroom soup. We're going to put a whole jar of this in here, a whole can of it, shall I say. On our ragu, we're just going to put some of this just simply to taste. About maybe about 3/4 of it. And then we're going to season with seasoning salt and black pepper. Okay. Now I like this. It's like between a spoon and a spatula, but this is one of my favorite utensils in my kitchen. I love this. Okay, so we're simply going to turn this over and mix this up really well. I added a little bit of butter. Now, I did initially add a little bit of canola oil for the bottom to keep it from sticking, but also I wanted an extra little creaminess to it, so we're just adding a couple of little, you know, things of butter, just a little bit of margarine here. Okay, once we do that, then we're going to sprinkle some breadcrumbs. Just a little layer of breadcrumbs on the top. Then I'm going to take my marbled cheddar and I'm going to sprinkle that on top. Then I'm going to add another little layer of breadcrumbs. We're going to put this in the oven. We're going to cook it at 350 for about 45 minutes. Okay, let's check on our stuff here and see what it's doing. Oh, that looks so good. Ooh, that shit looks good. Okay, let's let that continue to do what it's doing. Let's also check on our bites. They are looking good too. We winning. I'm gonna make my son a plate here, so we're gonna plate this up a little bit. this is my dinner for tonight. On plate 1, it is fried pork chops. On plate 2 is the boneless, skinless, baked garlic parmesan bits. You guys have a good night. I thank you for watching. Love you. Bye-bye.